Hi, I'm Amy, and this is my channel, Amy's Mix of Creativity, and I'm excited today to bring you a new Maremi Small Art Junk Journal collage book, and I got it from Amazon, as you can see. So I'm going to take it out of the packaging. I opened it up just to make sure that it was what it is, and it is it. It's the new Autumn Tales. Art journaling, collage, and card making, autumn tales, and backgrounds. From Maremi's illustration, Maremi Small Art. Here we go, right here, by Marta. I think that's how you say it. I hope I'm not getting it wrong. So I'm so excited to be sharing this new book. As you can see, it's very, very adorable. Oh my goodness, look at the little child on there. Just so sweet. And so let me just dig right in. I just got it in the mail today, and I'm trying to be quiet because it's in the middle of the night. So I wanted to go through it. Look at this little girl with her hot cocoa and the marshmallows. Yeah, oh goodness, these books are just so adorable, and I love them so much. And shouting out to Marta, who just puts together a wonderful collection. And thank you for that, Marta. You do a great job. So, and I'm so happy I came across these books. Just look how pretty this is. Mystical. And it's all fantasy world. I love it. Here's the collection. She's got so many books out, so I would definitely look into it. Check them out on Amazon. See all the different types. They're not all fairies and little children. Some are flowers, butterflies, mushrooms, things like that. It's just a whole collection of various fantasy-like designs that are just so sweet, and I just love them. So one of the reasons I'm making sure I get this out today too is because we're going to visit my son. Our son is in college. He's in upstate New York. He's in his senior year, and we're going to go visit him for this weekend because my husband it's his birthday this weekend. So yeah, so I want to get this out as soon as possible. I know people really like seeing these new books. This one just came out recently, like within the last week or so. So I'm really lucky that I got it when I did. And as you can see on this page, it's usually one type of design. And then she has the cutouts. These are cutouts. These are not sticker books. Just so you know, just make sure you understand that. If you buy it, you're going to have to cut it. But the paper is very easy to cut. And you can always use like die cuts, or if you have a scan and cut, the Brother Scan and Cut works, although it's a little tricky because you have to, like something like this, it might go into all these little nooks and crannies. But you can get it cut up good. And, for these designs, just do your best. And it doesn't matter if it's perfect. I mean, because it's just all whimsical and just, very, like eclectic and unique. Here's the same design that was on the last page. Okay, so making sure I'm in the camera. Here's some mushrooms and some words, some phrases. Very cool. I like the blues. The tinge of blue is really cool. So it's fall, but almost like wintry too. Kind of getting into the winter time. There's some pretty backgrounds. Birds. In autumn's hush, the bird carries summer's last song. It's beautiful. So, some like ledger stuff here. Great for art, junk journaling, art journaling, card making, anything you want to do, making any projects. You know, this could just be used as pattern paper. Very cool. So I was surprised that my first, well, it was actually my first video of Marta's books. It was one of my more recent videos. I have several videos out there now. The one for the magical forest stories. Yeah, it kind of like, I guess, went viral in a way. If you think about it, I got like over 1,000 views. So that was awesome. What's really funny about that is that I was sick. I had bronchitis. I think I had bronchitis still at that time. Yeah, my throat was, and I was talking really funny. But, of course that made me, and then that has to be the video that everyone watches. But that's fine. Oh, look at these. Oh, they're so cute with their knitted sweaters. That one's, she's not happy, but he looks scared, but they're just so adorable. Yeah, so I'm glad that went, that it gets so many views, but again, usually don't talk like I was talking because my voice was messed up from being sick, and now I'm anemic again, so I'm tired, but you probably can hear my voice, but yeah, I'm just, I have chronic illness and I have to deal with that, and we're stressed out in my house, but things are getting better, hopefully. So I would really recommend these books. I mean, this is the first time I'm looking at this one, and it just is so adorable. I just love it. Look at Lisa. She's knitting her own little dress. Oh, that's so sweet. And this girl's eating an apple. Oh. And this has blueberries. I guess, and some like boysenberries or whatever. I love the knitted sweaters. I guess this one is, yeah, that's a theme. Here's the little girl that was on the front. I guess it's a little girl, because it could be either. As could this one be, with the flower and the hair. Might be a little boy. Oh, so adorable. Here's some more cutouts. These could be cut into like 4 different panels. Make it easier to cut if you want to cut the little embellishments. Or you could just have it be like, a background on like a card or on a sheet on your journal page. Pumpkins. So yeah. Oh, whole page pumpkins. Really cute ones too. This would go good with the my last video was of some paper pads from Michael's that one of them was called Blue Harvest and had like blue pumpkins in it, and this would actually match that perfectly. I would check those paper pads out too if you're interested in flip throughs and looking at paper pads, because they were really cool when I picked them out not knowing exactly what was inside, and I really did enjoy flipping through them. And I'm already cut up pages, and hopefully we'll use them soon. So here, yeah, so again, the sweaters, they're so adorable. A little knitted cap. That's interesting. That girl's backwards. Which I find that interesting. And she like has like half of her wings. Almost looks like she's missing half of her wings. Interesting. Okay, don't really need to go there. That's just kind of cute. Just the way it is. So gotta just enjoy things as they are. and not question them too much. This is really cool. This is like rustic wood. It's like painted too, like with, I guess, yeah, and there's leaves. Oh, that's so cool looking. Here you got a bunch of words that go great for the autumn. Yeah, so when we go to, sometimes we go apple picking when we go up north where my son's school, near his school. This time I think we're gonna be going to like a cider mill that we like up there. He's near Cooperstown, so that's like, you know, where the Baseball Hall of Fame is, but we have been there before, so we're not gonna do that again this time, but we are gonna get to enjoy the area and enjoy the fall. It's not really, leaves haven't really started turning yet, but that's okay. These are interesting tags. Very, very cute, and they have like the, now it looks like there's like twine coming out from them. But you could cut that off if that's not, you know, if you don't like that. Oh, beautiful background. I like the font of the words because they're just very clean, you know, crisp looking, which is nice. These are smaller, but I like the font. Beautiful. Oh, look how cute these girls are. Just put it this way for a minute. So those are pretty big pictures, so for like a full journal page, I guess. So that works out. And these are some birds, various designs here, various settings. Adorable. More tags. I love the tags. Always use tag, you know, I love to cut out tags in these books. And these would be perfect for ATCs, artist trading cards. So if you're into that, these, you know, so a lot of these pictures are perfect size for that. Oh, look how sweet. Little face. Oh, and I get a grandma. Couple grandmas knitting. Yeah, perfect. Understandable. Love the colors. Here's some animals. Woodland forest creatures with the leaves falling down on them. That's cool. Okay, so that's the book, and this is the bonus delight page. It says Fall Fairies of One World. So that's cool. Different fairies from different ethnicities. That's great. You know, diversity. I love it. They're all so unique looking. Very cool. And another bonus. Oh, an extra bonus. Well, this is the usual bonus page, where it's like, you know, things that might have been published in other books but are actually unique just to this book. So if you have this book, you'll be able to cut these out too. So cute. Okay, and then also here's Marta and talking about her channel, and there you go, you get an extra page that's actually a little darker than the other ones, so that you can use it, you know, to itself as a full scrapbook page. Wonderful. So that's great. So that's Maremi Small Art Autumn Tales. And it's just so sweet. Go out and get it as soon as you can. And I hope that everybody gets to watch this video. And if you do, please subscribe. Check out my other videos. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some comments. I love showing you know, what's out there in the art, and just stay with me so that I can share with you all the wonderful things I find. Bye now.